liftoff.
Would you like to fly to outer space?
Houston now controlling.
Does it seem like a faraway, impossible dream? Well, it's not anymore. In recent years, rapid advancements in aerospace technology mean that commercial spaceflight may be just a few years away. Those advancements have not only been made by governments, but by adventurous billionaires such as Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos.
Fire, fire!
Private spaceflight travel can today finally be considered an emerging industry. And it's an industry that is filled with innovation. We have seen the emergence of novel robotics, new communication tools, and impressive propulsion methods, all targeted for use in commercial spaceflight. We have also seen the emergence of several new solutions to old issues, such as the autonomous technology of rocket tracking, which makes it possible for scientists and researchers to launch a spaceflight at much shorter notice. Even preparing humans for space travel has drastically changed. It used to be that astronauts had to undergo a substantial amount of training to prepare themselves for all the mental and physical challenges presented by space travel. But today's spacecrafts are so automated that anyone who is healthy and wealthy could easily travel to space. As such, more and more firms, governments, and amateur enthusiasts are taking an interest in the space tourism industry. But the field is not without its challenges. It is burdened with hurdles such as cost, designing an efficient reusable spacecraft, the exact size of the market, and potential negative impacts on the environment. And with NASA planning to open the International Space Station to tourists, more people may be spending time in space. This may mean firms will also need to develop ways to move more supplies into space as cheaply as possible. One innovative solution has come from firms such as Made in Space, who specialize in making materials that can be put together in space. The firm believes that spare parts, medical devices, and tools can be manufactured in space when the demand arises. In fact, it could even be argued that some products can be manufactured better in space. This is especially true if you consider that space offers abundant resources. Asteroids offer metals for manufacturing, helium-3 can be found on the moon's crust, and much more. Of course, this technology is a way off. But who are the biggest players in space travel, making all these innovations necessary? Right now, it's SpaceX, Boeing, Virgin Galactic, and Blue Origin. With these private companies entering the sector, the chances of making space tourism a commercial success may have increased immensely. Indeed, it is very possible that our future might be that of a multiplanetary species, or at least a species that takes holidays in space. One change is that space tourism is being driven by the private sector rather than by government agencies. This may eventually lead to a wide range of innovations driven by the competitive environment. Thanks to the entry of these new private investors, the sector could eventually see great progress in not just commercial space travel, but also resource mining in space, faster travel, and much more. The future of commercial spaceflight therefore comes with many benefits, and breakthroughs made in space travel could also offer breakthroughs for research right here on Earth. Whether we achieve commercial spaceflight sooner or later, the progress we make in developing the field may one day benefit all of humanity. Are you excited by the many possibilities of commercial spaceflight? We are.